I'm going to cover Python code to query data from Postgres tables. Postgres, the relational database. I've installed Postgres and I've created a database, TravelDB, within Postgres. TravelDB, I have two tables, a location table with an ID field and country field, and a holiday table with an ID field, location ID field, and date field. ID within location is its primary key. Location ID within holiday is a foreign key which links back to location ID field. ID within holiday is its primary key. Within Python, we'll install the Postgres driver module. As part of the Python code, we'll import the Postgres driver. We'll have a try block which wraps all the code and catches any exceptions. We create a connection object by calling the connect function of the driver. Into the connect function we pass the user, the password, the host, the port, and the database. We create a cursor object by calling the cursor method on the connection object. A cursor allows us to execute SQL against a Postgres database. We create an SQL statement with two placeholders. These are the %s values. They will be replaced with country values when we run the SQL statement. The cursor object execute method is called with the SQL statement and a tuple containing the two input values. Fetch all method is called to return all the data in the results set. The data is returned as a list of tuples. If there is no data to return, the list will be empty. The code iterates over the returned data values, outputting the values to the screen. Any errors raised within the try block will be caught within the except block, and the errors will be printed to the screen. The finally block, which is associated with the try statement, will be executed regardless of whether there's any errors. It will close the connection and the cursor. When the code is run, you'll get the following output.